Is it possible to type int a lambda function? Currently, in Python, a function's parameters and return types can be type hinted as follows, which indicates that the function takes two strings, and returns an integer. However, this syntax is highly confusing with lambdas, which look like. I've tried putting in type hints on both parameters and return types, and I can't figure out a way that doesn't cause a syntax error. Is it possible to type hint a lambda function? If not, are there plans for type hinting lambdas, or any reason, besides the obvious syntax conflict, why not?
You can, sort of, in Python 3.6 and up using PEP 526 variable annotations. You can annotate the variable you assign the lambda result to with the typing.callable generic. This doesn't attach the type hinting information to the function object itself, only to the namespace you stored the object in, but this is usually all you need for type hinting purposes. However, you may as well just use a function statement instead. The only advantage that a lambda offers is that you can put a function definition for a simple expression inside a larger expression. But the above lambda is not part of a larger expression. It is only ever part of an assignment statement, binding it to a name. That's exactly what a def func var1 column str, var2 column str, column return var1.index var2 statement would achieve. Note that you can't annotate args or quargs arguments separately either, as the documentation for callable states. There is no syntax to indicate optional or keyword arguments. Such function types are rarely used as callback types. That limitation does not apply to a PEP 544 protocol with an _call_ method. Use this if you need an expressive definition of what argument should be accepted. You need Python 3.8 or install the Typing Extensions project for a backport. For the lambda expression itself, you can't use any annotations, the syntax on which Python's type hinting is built. The syntax is only available for def function statements. From PEP 3107, Function Annotations. Lambda's syntax does not support annotations. The syntax of lambda could be changed to support annotations, by requiring parentheses around the parameter list. However, it was decided not to make this change because it would be an incompatible change. Lambdas are neutered anyway. The lambda can always be changed to a function. You can still attach the annotations directly to the object. The function _annotations_ attribute is a writable dictionary. Not that dynamic annotations like these are going to help you when you wanted to run a static analyzer over your type hints, of course.
Since Python 3.6, you can see PEP 526.
For those just looking for a swift access to IntelliSense when writing your code, an almost hack is to type annotate the parameter just before the lambda declaration, do your work and only then shadow it with the parameter. Then, right after.
I strongly dislike assigning a lambda function to an identifier. C is a Pythonic naming lambdas. If you want to do that nonetheless, you already have answers here. If you don't, and just want the type checkers to do their thing, the answer is typing .cast.
If you want to say more